is also a vendor.
So now you read this definition and tell me whether employee is a vendor or not.
No.
Sir, this Gauri
Yeah, vendor, sir.
vendor, sir.
No, sir. Not sir, vendor.
He is vendor.
After reading this definition also you are not clear, huh?
He is a vendor. Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, is a vendor.
So now just
Because he will
understand.
work for 1 month and we will pay.
Yeah. So I will give you the clarity, okay? So here, understand, employee, the answer is yes. Employee is also a vendor. Why? Because he is giving his service, na? He is giving his time 9 to 5. In return, company is paying to him. So he is giving the service, company is paying to him, right? Correct or not? See, there is no emotion as such, na? He is my employee, will he work for free? No. Correct or not? Yeah. So employee, so if you talk in accounts point, we are finance people, right? We always talk from accounts point.
Got it, sir.
There are no emotion here, right?
Yes, sir.
If there is emotion, he will not work for free, no? Right? He will always, it's a contract basically, right? So he is giving his a time, service, 9 to 5 time he is giving, in return company is paying to him. See, if company is not paying, will he work? No. Right? Understand? Correct? Right. So if the employee is not giving the service, will the company pay to him? No, right? So it is a service. We are taking the service from the employees and we are paying. So from account point of view, from company's point of view, employees are also vendors because company is paying to them. So what I am saying is when accountant is paying to vendor, okay, background noise please. So when accountant is paying to vendors, he will see his name also in the vendor's list, right? When accountant is paying the salaries, he will pay salary to himself also, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? He will have to pay salary to himself also. His account also will be there in the vendor's list. Okay. So what is the correct answer? The employees are also vendors. Okay, so there is no dispute here, 100% employees are also vendors. Okay, right, so you can write employees here. Employees are also vendors. So who are the three people who are coming under the vendors list?
Employee.
Who are coming under suppliers, service providers and employees. Correct? Okay, good. Next. Now every company they will have, these people will be there, right? Vendors will be there and customers also will be there. Every company, if you observe, right? So same way, customer also definition. What is the definition of the customer? What is the definition of a customer? Customer is a party, correct? Party to whom?
We sell.
Correct. We buy or sell?
Sell.
But services
On credit.
Services, correct. Services on credit, correct. And in return,
Receive payment.
we receive payment, correct. That's the difference. Receive payment from customer. Understand? That's the definition of a customer. Okay now. So now what we have to understand is every organization they will have vendors and customers, right? So the company will be in the middle like this. Okay, let me take it down here. The company will be there in the middle like this. Okay, now right. So now in case of Tesla Energy, suppose if I have Bajaj company, right? Bajaj Motors. For Bajaj Motors also vendors will be there, customers will. Correct or not? Yeah? No. So so for Bajaj Motors, who are the vendors? Like raw material suppliers, service providers, employees, all those people will come in. Who are the customers who are selling the bikes and motorbikes of the Bajaj? Correct? Yeah. So vendors, customers. So even a small business, like we have tea side vendors, tea sellers. Right on the roadside you see, they are selling tea. They will also have vendors. Who are their vendors?
Why?
Wholesale shop के पास.
Tea seller. On the roadside you drink tea, na? Tea seller.
Milk and tea supply.
Milk supplier, tea powder supplier. Who else? Like gas cylinder he needs, and then what else? Water bubble provider. Sugar, yes. And then disposable cups provider. All those are his vendors. So he will use those vendors, and he is creating a good or service. What is his good? Tea. And he has his customers coming and drinking the tea, correct? Yeah? So every business, they will have vendors and customers. Correct now? Can I have any business without vendors?
No.
Can I have any business without customers?
No.
There is no point, na? Without customers, right? No point. Yeah. So you should understand this logic. Now you tell me, you like customers or vendors?
Customers.
Customers.
Both of.
No. My question is, who do you like?
Customers.
Like vendors. Vendors.
We are a vendor, sir. So that's why we are like customers.
These vendors, we are calling them as, in another language, we are calling them as accounts payable. Why we are calling them as accounts payable? Can you tell me?
Because we need to pay them.
We are paying
them. Pay.
We have to pay now here, you see, pay. Every time you see them, you will be like, come on, pay, right? Vendors always pay, right? Payable. What about these people? Customers account
They want output.
Always these people, whenever you see them, you will see money, happy. Now this customer has come, he will pay me, right? So who do you think? You like customers or vendors? Customers. Right now, money. As soon as you see customer, your face will be happy. More customers, more and more customers you want. You want more vendors?
No.
Right? You want less vendors? More?
And more customers.
Understand? Yeah. Okay. Right. So you are very happy to see the customers, and vendors, like, you have to pay to them. Pay. Right? That's why we are calling payables. We have always have to pay to them. So whenever I see him, I have to pay him. Whenever I see customer, I will always get the money. So I'm happy to see more customers. Correct? Yeah. Now you tell me, our institute is there, na? Our institute, the iGrow, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, who are the vendors for our institute?
Like you are running
Faculty.
Members are
all employees are vendors.
Yeah, the telecaller, IT staff,
All employees.
all
staff members are
rental bill, power supply, all those are services we are taking, and all those will come under vendor. Correct?
Provide services.
Good. Now, who will come under customers list?
students.
As a student. Correct. So now you tell me, the institute likes you or me?
Students.
They want more students. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Yeah. You got the point now? So you all come under accounts receivable, customer. You pay to them, right? The companies will be happy to see you more and more. And all the vendors will come under payable. Correct? Basically. Okay? This is common setup. Any business you see, you look at them. Properly you look at them. It will be in the middle. So what is our iGrow doing? iGrow is taking the vendors, right? Like all the faculties and all that. And then we are creating one product. What is the product? SAP training. And that training we are giving it to our customers, students we are giving. Got it? Yes, sir. Company, they will have a good or service which they will create with the help of a vendor and deliver it to customers. Again, I am repeating, every company, they will have a good or service created with the help of the vendor, and that good or service, they are delivering it to customers. Correct? Now, without vendors, we cannot exist. without customers also, because you may think without vendors we may exist. Sorry, you cannot exist. Correct? You need vendors to support. So the better vendors you have, better service you give to your customer. Is it clear? Yeah. You need both. Yeah, that is the line. You are in the middle. You should be. You need both of them. Correct now. Now suppose now tea vendor is there, tea supplier on the roadside. If the milk supplier is not able to provide him milk, can he provide the tea to you? Right? Tea to you. Right. So vendors are also equally important. Correct? Yeah. Now the problem comes. Now all this, now we have a business who has vendors, we have customers. Now all this we want to maintain in a system. We want to write down in a book, right? If a tea vendor is there, he will put a book, and one page he will write. Okay, vendors on one page. Okay, who all the people I have to pay. Right, another page, who all the customers who has to pay me money, right? Suppose there are customers who are drinking tea without paying the money, right? He will write down, no?
Yes.
That is what. So he will maintain it in a book, but for big organizations, we are maintaining in the software. The same thing is happening, but at a bigger level, like that you have done. Correct. So many mass level we are doing in a software. Which software? SAP software. In which module? FI module. Right. So in FI module, we are recording the supplier transactions, vendor transactions, and customer transactions. Correct. Everything is in one place. Which module? FI module. In which software? SAP software. Is that clear? Yeah.
Yes,
It's clear, but it's FICO, sir. I mean, it's consultant, sir.
Yeah, we will come there. Right? So once we know what is happening in our software, then you will know what is next level. Correct? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So now what happens is, now imagine when the company is big. Okay, the problem comes, suppose if it is 10 vendors, okay. 10 customers, okay, fine, happy. But when the company is growing, yeah, hundreds, thousands customers, 1 lakh customers, correct. Same way vendors also, suppliers also, we have loads of them. Correct. The problem starts then. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so here what we have to do is we should understand how the numbers of the vendors will be, like, now can you tell me, like Bajaj company is there, how many vendors they will have? What do you think?
thousands.
Hundreds, thousands,
More than
thousands of vendors. No? Because in vendors what I am taking, raw material suppliers, then we have service provider,
Employees.
and then employees. Correct. Okay. So all of them put together, they will be in thousands.
Yes, sir.
So the number will be huge. Correct. Yeah. So now for example, I will tell you, raw material supplier. Suppose I have one raw material, right? Suppose I have one raw material, say tires. Okay, so only one raw material. To manufacture a bike, I need a tire, na? One tire. Right? I need 2 tires. Sorry, I need 2 tires. So now tires I need. Okay. So now for tires material, how many suppliers may be there? Many. I may buy from Fiat, I may buy from MRF, I may buy from Apollo, I may buy from JK. Correct? Is there any restriction? I should buy from only one supplier?
No.
No, sir.
Correct now. So there may be new supplier in the market who is giving us discount, we will buy from it. Correct? Yeah. So for one material, if there are 5 vendors, 5 suppliers, now just imagine, for my bike, to manufacture a bike, how many raw materials I need? I need tires, I need handles, batteries, bulbs, leather seats, rubber, spokes, nuts, bolts. Like that, how many materials I may need? Hundreds and thousands of dollars.
Plenty of.
Correct? So I have done one project. I was surprised actually. Automobile project I have done. A similar bike project. I was surprised to see that on one bike, there is something called, we call it as BOM, yeah? You don't need to know all this, but as a bill of material. Yeah, bill of material. Okay? So bill of material means what? It will contain the list of all raw materials raw material used in the manufacture of a finished product, right? Of a finished good. Okay, in our example, it is a bike. Yeah. So now, so I was surprised to see the list contained 1, 2, 4, 4. Yeah, 4, 0. Okay, let us round it off. Yeah, so many it had. Okay, right. So just imagine, you will never think, when you are riding a bike, will you think that there are 1, 2, 4, 0 parts in it?
No.
You think? No, right? No. Yeah, but when you deassemble it, right? There are about 1,000 parts in it. Individually recognized parts, there are 1,200 parts in it. Okay, so just understand, for one material, if there are 5 vendors or 10 vendors, if I have 1,200 materials, how many vendors I will have? Thousands I will have. 5 into maybe 1,200, like that. Understand? So we have huge number of vendor lists. Correct? Yeah. So everybody understood what is a BOM, bill of material?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose if it is a BOM for a car. BOM for a car. What will be there? In that we will say like this. Tires. How many I need? 4 tires, right? And then steering wheel. How many I need? 1. Not 2, right? We don't drive both sides. Correct? Yeah. Yeah. Like that. Like that. So basically BOM means what? What all the raw materials we need in the manufacture of a product. Okay? Right. So just to give you an understanding of how the vendors list will be inflating, right? Huge vendor list we have. Yeah? Now coming to service providers, right? How many service providers you will have? Again new. So let me take first this as say we have 10,000 suppliers we have. Then what else we have? Service providers. What kind of services we need?
Mechanic.
No. Service.
Electricity.
Employees are there already. Employees I will take care of about 10,000 people. Okay. Power supplier. Power we need not to run our offices. Correct. What else? IT services. Correct. Internet services, data and communication. Correct. Good. Next.
Transport.
Transport services. Yes.
Cleaning.
Cleaning services. Very good. Cleaning services. Audit services. Good. Banking services. Catering. Yes. What else?
Security services.
Security, very good. Security. Yes, we need security for our officers, na? Correct, good. That's what.
Cab services. Transport.
Cab, yes, employees pick up and drop, right? We have a shift, odd timing. 1 o'clock we start in the night. Cab services. Good. Next. Insurance services. Yes. Very good.
Medical services.
Medical, medical services, huh?
Yes, sir.
How medical?
Emergency.
Whose emergency?
Office there or the first aid. Landline services.
Some organizations and medical services are there.
Okay, no problem. Next.
Telephone service.
Telephone, okay.
Data communication.
Emergency
Data and communication I have taken.
Cab services.
Cab services I have taken. Very good. Next.
Courier.
Courier, good. Courier we need. What else? Yeah, good. I'm happy with this group. Yes. What else?
Packing services.
Canteen I have taken a catering.
Back and everything.
Water supply.
Marketing, yes. Advertising services you missed, very important.
Water supply.
Water,
Delivery
utility
services.
services.
Delivery services.
Sales.
Sales executives.
Yeah, advertising, marketing services. Okay, let me put. Good. Next.
Delivery services.
Transport I will take. Na? Transport will come under. Okay, delivery only. Next.
Stationery products.
HR services. If you want to hire employees, somebody will help you. Next.
Brand ambassador.
Ambassador. Okay, I will take. Brand ambassador. Yeah, we will pay him a lot, na?
Advertising it.
Advertising. It will come under advertising. Okay, next. No problem. Next.
Financial service.
Very good. Financial services. That is the banking I have taken. Na? Banking service.
Banking and audit.
Auditing I have taken.
Appliances.
Rent or lease operations.
Compliances. Legal service.
Yes, the legal. Like factory license and all.
I understand.
Management.
What management?
Fuel supply.
Maintenance.
Fuels. That will come under goods.